How to use Meta AI on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Meta AI on your WhatsApp. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's begin. First thing that you'll need to do is head over to your settings. Head over to your app store. And after you're here, head over to the search bar and search for WhatsApp. So from here, what we'll need to do is update the app to the latest version. So if you see the update button like this, tap on update and update your app. After you've updated the app, you can then open up your WhatsApp. And after you open up the WhatsApp, if your app is updated, you should see on the bottom right above the settings option, a blue circle. Tap on that. And with that, you will have the Meta AI on your WhatsApp. Now you can start asking whatever you want. So there you can see all the prompts already ready. So let's just type this in and now it should start giving me answer. So this is just you know WhatsApp AI, WhatsApp integrated with AI. You can just ask questions, it'll give you back the answers. You can click pictures and stuff like that. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can use Meta AI on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.